We asked the teacher to explain again.
We asked the teacher to explain again.
He asked me to join the meeting.
He asked me to join the meeting.
She asked her son to clean the table.
She asked her son to clean the table.
We asked our neighbors to watch our cat.
We asked our neighbors to watch our cat.
I asked my friend to help me.
I asked my friend to help me.
She asked her brother to carry the box.
She asked her brother to carry the box.
They asked us to stay longer.
They asked us to stay longer.
My mother asked me to buy some milk.
My mother asked me to buy some milk.
The customer asked the waiter to bring the menu.
The customer asked the waiter to bring the menu.
I asked my sister to close the door.
I asked my sister to close the door.